Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on signing into Chrome. Signing into Chrome will be one of the best ways for you to use your enterprise Google account and all of the apps that come along with it. So here we see a Chrome browser that is open up without an account installed. And I know this because of two things. One, I see this turn on sync button here. Two, I see an icon in the upper right that is just the generic profile icon, not representing any individual account, but rather just a quote-unquote current user. So we're going to go ahead and sign in using this icon in the upper right, because we're going to come back to this menu a couple times in this tutorial. So we're going to first click here and turn on sync. When presented with this screen, you're going to type in your enterprise email, and sign in. When you sign in, you'll be presented with this pop-up message that will ask you to link your data. You're going to want to go ahead and click link data, because what that will do is that will synchronize all of the data that you are giving Chrome while you have it open and signed in. It'll be syncing it to your Chrome account, so it'll be available next time you sign into Chrome, either at this or a different location. The data that it's going to sync, at least some of the data that it's going to sync, is going to be your search history, the bookmarks that you create, any themes that you install or extensions that you install while you have this session open. So we're going to go ahead and click link data. Then we're going to go ahead and turn on these services. And you'll notice that that generic icon now has changed to an E, which is the first letter of the account that signed in, ELS. And then down here we also see this additional sign in icon here, and this is the web environment. It is in this environment that we can add accounts if we wanted to. However, what I'm going to recommend is that we not add accounts here. When you add accounts here, you're going to have one default signed in account for this browser. If you have multiple accounts signed in, you may click on a resource intended for one account, and when it tries to open up that resource in another tab, it will try to open it up oftentimes with a different account. And if the permissions are not set for that account to open the resource, it may be problematic. So instead, in a separate video, we're going to show how we're going to click here to add accounts to our Chrome browser, which will actually create an entirely separate browsing environment for that new signed in account, and you would do that by clicking manage people. But for this tutorial, we're just talking about signing into Chrome. One thing to keep in mind is that you can be signed into Chrome and see a different icon up here that does not represent your account. You can see an arrow, either green or orange, in the upper right. That will let you know that an update is waiting to be installed for Chrome. You install that update by just closing Chrome and reopening it. That update should install itself. You may also see your profile icon and the word paused right next to it. That just means that your credentials have expired and you're going to need to go ahead and enter in your password again to sign in. Finally, you might see an exclamation point here. If you see an exclamation point, then there is something that needs your urgent attention. I recommend that you click on it and follow the instructions that pop up. So this was a short tutorial on signing into Chrome. We hope you find it helpful, and read the description to see the benefits of signing into Chrome.